Hello everyone, this is Rich Wall, Coordinator of Instructional Technologies. This brief video tutorial will be on using your faculty portal to enter in grades. And these grades would be either midterm grades or final grades. As a quick review, to get to your faculty portal from the main Mitchell website, you'll go up to Faculty and Staff. You'll then click on Compass Faculty Portal, the red icon on the right side of the page. You'll then come to your faculty portal. You'll need to enter in your ID and password. In this case, your username and password will be the same that you use on campus to get into the campus network, and your email. Once you enter into your faculty portal, you'll see your classes listed right here. Here I'm highlighting. For this tutorial, I'm going to use one of the classes that I'm currently instructing, which is my FC 120 online class. Now, before you begin the process of entering grades, I want you to take notice here that there are different colors in the box labeled Final Average Grade Not Ready. The colors I'm highlighting here are somewhat in a green, light green color. Well, these full box light green colors indicate the fact that there is some text written about the student. In a sense, this is a comment. In this particular case, these are early academic reports that have been put into the student's record. And how it's indicated, of course, is with a full green color. Before you can enter in grades, you're going to have to delete the early academic report text that you typed in earlier in the semester in order to enter in grades. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using my test student that I have in the course, and I'll now show you how to delete the text that you have entered in earlier in the semester. You go into the green box, you click on the green box just once, it opens up a white dialog box. But before you enter a grade, you'll want to go over to the right-hand side where it says Edit Comments. That will bring up a dialog box to where you entered in text earlier in the semester. This text will need to be deleted again before you enter in a grade. To delete, all you're going to do is highlight with your mouse the words that need to be deleted. You'll then hit the delete key on your keyboard, and then when you're done, click on Save and Close. Now you're ready to enter a grade. You'll notice that the dialog box stays with the student. Now, I'm only going to be entering a grade for one student because we currently are not at the end of the semester. So right now I'm going to give this student a grade of a B. Now, assuming that we have done that for all of our students, as you'll notice, if I click on all of the students, a dialog box opens up, and it's easy enough then to enter the grade. But when you are done and all of your students are complete, you'll then want to now go up to a new shortcut that has been added to this version of the faculty portal, which is right here, which I'm pointing to, which is now the Final Average Grade Not Ready. You'll notice how it changes color. Well, the change of color actually indicates that is now a link. And if I click on that link, it now takes me to the dialog box where we now go ahead and make that decision of whether our grades are ready or not to submit to the registrar. Now, since again I'm only going to use one student, I'm going to select Ready. And at this particular point, I am ready to submit my grades. I then click on OK. Once that loads, now those grades have been submitted to the registrar for the back-end processing. So entering grades are that simple. Now you want to make point of doing it for all your classes, and again I would ask you to pay attention to the different colors you have shaded in particular the light green colors. If you have any questions at all about entering your grades, please contact me. This is Rich Wall. I'm over in the Duquesne Center, room 211, or it can be reached at 860-629-6157.